Moikka! Masterboard. What is it? It is a mixed media collage that doesn't have to make any sense. Eventually, this masterboard will be cut into little pieces for ephemera making. Let's start with choosing the papers. You can use, for example, leftover paper scraps, book pages, jelly prints gone wrong, magazine pages, and so on. Then just slap the scraps with some glue onto the copy paper. And next, turn the paper around and cut off the excess. Number 2. Smooth the edges. Of course, this is optional and there are many ways to do this masterboard, but this is just something that I like to do. Number 3. Adding some color. Here I am using different color ink pads. You can also do this, for example, with watercolors, acrylic paints, soft pastels, and so on. The only color that I had in mind before I started doing this masterboard was purple, and everything else just came along and I went with the flow. Number 4. Stenciling. I think this makes a lovely effect on the masterboard, so I'm using 3 different stencils for this one. The stencil that I am using right here is from Studio Light and it is called Another Love Story. And this stencil is from Nelly's Choice and it is called Slimline Roses. And this stencil is a DIY stencil that I made with the Cricut machine. It's in a pretty rough shape, so I guess I have to make a new one soon. And then the final touches with stamping. And try not to think too much where to stamp. Just stamp away. Usually there is always some parts that you are not necessarily so happy about, but no worries, you can always destroy them with scissors. And then it's time to admire your artwork and be very proud of it. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely week. Moi moi!